Well, we've got this universe, science meets style. Mix and create your own soap. Rainbow soaps. Emmy is here with me. You remember her from Thrift?
Yeah, you did a Thrift video.
Yep, recreating old books. And we both wanted to make soap. So we're going to do it.
When you're doing this, you should shout out all your favorite soap channels on YouTube.
Oh, my favorite what?
Soap channels.
Soap channels? Literally just royalty soaps.
Okay.
Do you have any?
Whoever that soap queen lady is, I miss her. I don't know where she went.
Well, I'm also shouting out Baby First TV.
Wait, legally you have to shout out Athena's new channel?
Oh, also Athena's new channel is up by now. She does music, so I feel like it'd be better to shout her out in the video that she's in, but she's not in this. So check out her channel, and you would have seen her for a brief moment in last week's video. So, yeah. It comes with my super awesome universe poster.
This is a big poster. They went all out for this. This is where half the budget went.
Wow. Color your world. Did you know that no two people see the same rainbow? Yeah, that's it. I'll read it later.
I feel like that's a lie.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. We didn't read science. So.
Yeah, I can't read.
Okay, I'll read.
The good part.
Comes with this holographic
background.
That's actually cute.
Oh, I want that.
Okay. So, here's what you'll need. White soap, clear soap, soap molds, colored droppers, glitter, stir stick, and bowl, not included. Microwave, not included. And knife, not included. Microwave. We're in my basement, so I don't have to go upstairs. So microwave stuff. And to knife stuff.
Just karate chop it.
Yeah. Okay. So the first thing you're going to want is, well, you're going to open the base.
Yeah, I'm really trying. Oh, you're just going to go ham on it.
Oh, this is way bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah, I didn't think it came with that. I thought it literally just came with this.
There's more soap than we anticipated. I'm also ruining the packaging. It's fine. I'm just going to wait up, take the soap out.
You did not want me getting in here.
No, not without adult supervision. I don't even think it says that on the box. It tells you to use a knife, and I don't think it says to have adult supervision. It's fine. This is coloring. Plasma pink, universe yellow, but Y-O-U, universe, and blast off blue. There's the mold. There's the other mold.
Here's the soap.
I'll open that.
Thank you. Oh,
there's our stirring spatula. She's cute. So it says, have your heart mold ready. Squeeze 2 to 3 drops of coloring into each heart cell. Do not put more than 3 drops of coloring.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, we're doing this right now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want the top 3?
What?
Do you want to decorate the top 3 and I'll decorate the bottom 3 or something?
Oh, sure. Can we do combinations?
Yes. I'm going to do an ombre one first.
Okay. How are you doing an ombre?
Well, I feel like we need the soap. Like, we need to have the soap ready.
No, it just says, for added sparkle, sprinkle some of the glitter into the heart cells as well. Next, you select your white soap base. Ask an adult to cut your soap base into 4 pieces. They got me. Place them in a microwave-safe cup or bowl. An adult to heat your soap squares in the microwave for 30 seconds. You may need to heat up your squares an additional 10 seconds, depending on your microwave and how much soap you melted. Remove and stir. Be careful. Contents will be hot.
Oh, okay.
Also, get that cam on what we're doing.
Oh, jeez.
And reheat your soap squares if you need to until the soap is melted.
I don't know. I can't see what this angle looks like. Yeah! Oh, wait. Oh, God, we're so stupid.
Oh, I wonder if that's the whole point, because you don't see that holographic part anywhere else. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I literally have to go on the other side.
Okay. We'll reconvene.
Okay.
Okay, we melted the soap. I'm out of breath. Okay,
Sorry.
do your thing.
Do my thing?
Yeah.
I think I need... Oh, we want all the drops in there.
Yeah.
Do you want me to just do them?
Yeah. Wait, you do? Yes, I glitter.
The actual bag needs to be cut open. This is gonna be rough. Oh my god. Lydia, you're a monster.
Bro. Oh god, I can't. Oh, there's a rip.
Here, wait.
Here, it's open.
Very sexy of you.
Thank you.
I put it in the one we're going ham on, so
Okay.
you just decided to put glitter in one of them also.
Oh,
Ooh.
I also put it in that one.
It'll be fine. It's fine. That's the point of that one.
This one.
Oh, now I feel like I need to put glitter into this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now that we've ruined our soap.
Carefully pour the melted white soap into the heart soap mold and mix with the stir stick until coloring is fully mixed with the soap.
I'm very excited about this ombre one.
Couldn't decide which one to pour it into. It's okay. We'll fix it after. We'll just scrape it off. Whoop.
Oh.
Whoop.
Oh no!
It's that adventure. What? Here, we'll scrape the extra into the.
Okay, here, I'll do it.
Oh god. I just spilled the soap all over the thing. I ladled it. It was decorative.
Yeah.
We still have enough for a few more hearts after.
Okay. That one's gonna be just a sad. Oh wait, is that green?
No, it's blue. It's blast off blue.
Okay, but you gonna tell me that's blue?
No. This is turning out interesting.
You know what though, Lydia? It's ombre.
It is.
Oh god, the blue left. Okay, well we have no blue.
Okay.
This one was just yellow. Oh god.
So.
This was too much. This one definitely needs more color also. They were right about that 3 drops. Oh, it's actually gonna turn green now.
Just leave it like that.
I'm not going to. That makes me sad.
Oh, I like it.
Okay. Anything for you, Lydia?
Thank you. Oh, I really like that, actually.
Okay.
That was the one I mixed.
I'm so sorry. Did you want to do it?
No.
This one's gonna be... It's literally just pink. Oh my god. Get back in there.
What if I scrape the extra into this? Then we just had a rainbow mess.
That'd probably be fine.
Okay. Well, when you're done mixing them, I'll scrape
This one
off
just
the
looks like
extra.
fire.
She's good how she is.
Why did that one turn brown?
Because I mixed all the colors. Okay, I'll be careful now and scrape some of the extra.
Oh, wait. Use this.
No, this is flat.
This is flat. Look. Oh, look. Okay.
It's fine.
Your video.
They'll go on the brown one.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, it's already drying.
Yeah.
You know what? It looks good considering.
Yeah, considering this is already dry.
Yeah. Considering it was also a $5 kit from Walmart.
It was $10.
I'm sorry.
Ooh.
You know, I just think it'd be funny if I put more pink in that one.
Yeah, do it. This wasn't gonna be the messed up one, but That's what it ended up being.
You're just gonna put a hunk of dry soap in it.
Yeah. The dry soap goes in there. Here I come, career at Lush.
Actually, you just ate Steak and Shake. You wouldn't be allowed to work there.
What?
You have to be vegan to work at Lush.
I can fake it.
Can you?
Yes. I don't even like milk.
That was really the first thing that came to your mind.
Yeah. Well, it was cheese, but then I was like, I don't know if I can say that. This is a real masterpiece, this one right here.
This.
Yeah.
I'd mix that.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It says to let it sit for 30 minutes.
Oh.
I don't think we're going to wait that long. Can we just put it in the freezer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go put it in the freezer.
Okay.
Onward.
Okay.
Okay. We gotta pop those hearts out.
Okay.
This is getting gross.
It's soap.
We melted the clear soap. Fun fact. Something about the smell really is off-putting to me.
Oh, wait, this heart looks cool. It looks like one of those, those 90s cups that all the people keep talking about.
I don't know. Where are the people? I don't go on the internet.
All the people that, I don't know. All the people that still think it's cool to be a 90s kid or whatever.
It is cool to be nice.
Lydia, you were born in, you were literally, 2 years old when the 90s ended.
I would have been 3 years old.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
You know what? You can't even see anything in the brown one because it's all glitter on the bottom. It is ugly on the top, though.
Well, that's going to be the bottom of the soap, right? We're going to put them face down? And we peel those things off. Okay, do we pour the clear soap in first?
No. Actually, you can do it more. We can do a layer of clear this soap.
Okay.
I would just ladle it in.
Oh, it says to put the hearts in first, but...
Yeah, but then when you pour it in,
you pick how you're going to do it.
Put in a little bit of the soap. Oh, you're right.
We're just going to...
ladle it on in there.
How much?
Cover the bottom.
Okay. That covers the bottom.
That covers the bottom. Alright, how hot is this?
Not very hot.
Okay, so how do we want the hearts in here? Do we want the picture?
I don't know. You design this one.
A lot of pressure, Lydia.
You have the artistic freedom. When you put it the other way, isn't that the top of the soap? It's on the bottom of it. Here, let's get her in. Here.
It's fine.
Drop her in. Your nails are not really meant to do this.
No, they're not.
Here. Where do you want this one?
Is that the ugly one? No. We'll put that one here.
Okay, this is the ugly one.
Okay, well, the top looks neat. So it can be, we'll put this one here. Yeah.
So, yeah, I know. I'm dumb. We know.
This one just ended up white.
It's fine.
Is it? Wait, now we should do some glitter in it, though.
Okay. Both glitters? You're like, no.
I don't like silver glitter.
Okay. Fair enough.
We have enough soap to make 3 more soaps, though. Okay.
That's what we think.
That's what I hope. It's what I hope in my heart.
I missed the thing at first. This bowl was kind of hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Now the silver glitter. Go ham.
Since I poured half of it on the... I don't know where the opening is. Oh, there it is.
Ooh.
You said go ham.
Okay.
So I used all of it.
I desperately want to put my hand in that.
No.
It's like candle wax. I've inhaled glitter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It's time for the reveal on this masterpiece.
Just gonna pump it out.
Yeah. Pop it out.
Pop it out.
Oh.
Glitter. There we go.
There.
Oh.
I
mean, it looks fun.
Yeah.
Here you go. The glitter
maybe,
on the top was a big mistake.
Yeah, maybe don't put glitter on the top of yours for all of you doing this at home. It's also like wrinkly looking for some reason.
It's the glitter.
Okay. And you can see the hearts there. You can feel the hearts sticking up because we didn't really do a great job with that first layer.
We didn't. I mean, we've never done this before.
Right.
This one
and
feels
this
fine.
Is definitely not for 10-year-olds.
Tell me a 10-year-old could have done better than this than me.
Was that English?
I was having trouble. A 10-year-old could have done better than me at this.
I don't know. You don't know all 10-year-olds.
I know a lot of them.
I don't know. You tell me then. I don't know any 10-year-olds.
I feel like they could have done better than me.
Okay. It's just like, you can feel that it's soapy.
Oh, we're stupid. We didn't put in a clip. I literally washed that cutting board with the soap.
Oh, yeah.
It worked great.
Yeah, the soap works. We tried it. Oh, the soap is still stuck in the bottom. That was on the hearts.
Oh, well, that's unfortunate, but like we could just deal with that later.
Yeah. I think this was successful.
You want to get some nice close-ups?
I think we got that right there. That wonderful. You can see it's clear on the sides. Yeah. I feel like it would have been more fun if we brought a cutting board down here and turned this into a soap cutting thing.
They're glass.
They are glass.
I would have shattered your cutting board.
All right. Well, maybe next time.
Next
Maybe
time?
we'll save this and I'll just at some point do a soap cutting video.
Okay.
Okay, that's a good idea. Good idea.
We can just put it in you can just do it and put it in the end of the video.
Nah. Well,
okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and say that if you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of whatever this is and my Christmas clock.
I honestly forgot about that. I was scared for a second. I thought your dad came home.
Okay, so this is like melting on my
I
fingers.
know.
And there's glitter everywhere. They don't even say if this is like biodegradable glitter.
It's not. I'm sure it isn't.
Alright, well this will be fun. So, yeah. See you guys for the next thing.